Oh hey, didn't see you there. Salutations and greetings. This is Koo7 Kat coming at you live from Get Right Media. Today I have a special treat for you guys. I finally did it. Know what I mean? I finally did it. Finally went out, pulled the trigger, and got the Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 6K. Whew. That is a mouthful. This is an upgrade from my Panasonic Lumix G85. That's been my bread and butter, my baby, my go-to. Got it out the mud with that one. You know what I mean? The Blackmagic 6K, of course, obviously it shoots 6K, 5K, 3K, and 2K, all in Blackmagic RAW. Blackmagic RAW is a codec made by Blackmagic Design for their cameras. So the Blackmagic 6K is just that, a cinema camera. It's catered to the image. Now, unlike the G85, this has no stabilization whatsoever. I'm trying my best to get used to it, but it's been hard so far. But since I took the training wheels off, I mean, you know, with practice makes perfection. So this lens is a EFS Canon 18 to 55 millimeter. But I don't know if y'all can see this. It has an autofocus system. We don't really care about autofocus in this case. It has stabilization in the lens. So, being that it is no stabilization in the camera, I had to make up for it in the lens. And I do see a slight difference versus a lens that's not stabilized with no stabilization at all. I really do see a difference. Now, inside the Blackmagic 6K, like I was telling you earlier, with the Blackmagic RAW, it also shoots in ProRes as well, but that's only in 4K and 1080p. Image quality is great. I have no complaints. The Blackmagic codec, you can dial back in, you can change the data ever so slightly within Premiere Pro. So now, like, if you overexpose or underexpose a shot, you can now go back in and change the exposure, the ISO, and things of that nature within Premiere Pro. And that is huge. That is real big for me. I love this camera so far. I would highly recommend it if you get it, if you're trying to step into the cinema world. Yes, it's a learning curve, but the overall image quality is great. The screen is so wide, but I mean, it's worth it. It's still kind of built like a DSLR, even though it's a cinema camera, and that's gonna, I don't know, that's just gonna help you in the long run, I believe, if you're coming from a DSLR or, you know, mirrorless camera and things of that nature. And here, it has a mic port and a headphone jack. And not only does it have a regular mic port for, like, you know, cameras and stuff, but it actually has a built-in XLR import, mini XLR import, I believe that's what it's called. Of course, you have the Blackmagic charging port right here, and the USB-C. So, okay. Now these flaps, it can get a little bit tricky when you try to go rig it up. It's a workaround. It's not a deal breaker. I don't think so. If you have any questions about this camera, please let me know in the comments below. We can talk about it. What are you thinking about upgrading to? Please like, subscribe, and yeah, see you next video.